So this is the unit that we're going to be talking about today. We're going to explore the skills, strengths, the benefits, the overall value to you, okay? So let's talk about the skills. Plug and play. Very easy for commissioning. That's one of the key benefits of the IM50. It is flexible and scalable. High performance from 0.55 to 110 kilowatts. Integrated safety functions certified in accordance with EN ISO 13849-1. Operation of synchronous and asynchronous servo motors. One cable technology. Basically one cable that can deliver both feedback signals and power signals. It also comes with embedded technology applications like winding, camming, master slaving, synchronization and correction, table positioning, speed control. Now, teamwork. Here's another key word. Here you can expect only the best from the IM50, a real team player, who will be 100% integrated into your business in next to no time. When interacting with Lenze software, motors, gearboxes, and system cables, the IM50 can achieve outstanding performance. It is also extremely flexible when selecting its teammates, basically third-party devices like Siemens PLCs or Allen Bradley PLCs. Now, let's explore the strengths. Powerful, compact, safe, with innovative control procedures, the IM50 sets new standards when it comes to precision and dynamics. The benefits here are shorter commissioning times, highest control performance and dynamics. The IM50 gives you current loops, speed loops, position loops that can run as fast as 60 microseconds. It all translates into an increase of productivity, nothing but value to you. Industry sector expertise. Do you place great value on having smooth, efficient processes? Then you should use the IM50 extensive industry know-how. Yes, the IM50 is an expert when it comes to automotive, converting and printing, airport logistics, warehouse logistics, textiles, packaging industry, and much more. Now, let's talk about the certificates. Yes, the IM50 comes with a little paper that says Certified for Global Use, CE, UL, CSA, EAC, and much more. Certified for sustainable solutions like energy efficient, and also certified for a wide range of use cases and applications. All right, so now let's talk about the IoT capabilities or functions of the IM50. Okay, so now this unit right here comes with IoT functions. IoT functions that allows you to get data from the unit to the cloud without using a PLC in between. So yes, the IM50 can actually send data, in this case using an MQTT broker, to get to the cloud. We're actually going to be using an API, in this case, an API that can take the data and then send it to AWS. So you guys probably already noticed that we have this little unit right here called Alexa. And this is the unit that is going to be interfacing with the IM50. So now, with this MQTT broker, we can pretty much send data to anywhere. Data to any server, we can interface with third-party software, we can pretty much make the data available to your cell phone, tablets, computers, anywhere. But in this specific demo, we're going to be actually sending the data to AWS so we can interface to Alexa. In this view, we have the IM50 fully integrated on a belt demo. Here, we're going to be able to see the IM50 in action. We are going to see one of the applications doing some motion, in this case, table positioning. And also, we're going to be able to see the IoT functions embedded in the drive in action. The first part of the demo is to actually see the table positioning application in action. Why the table positioning? Well, conveyor or belt has 3 different shapes. Those are 3 different positions. And those 3 different positions can be actually created or embedded into 3 different profiles on the i950. Okay? Do remember the i950 comes with many more applications like winding, synchronization correction, speed control, and many more. Okay? So now in this case we pick again table positioning, and just to start over here, what we're going to do is we're going to press these 3 different buttons. Those are going to be going into the drive as digital inputs, and then once the drives receive any of those, it will call on a specific profile to position to the right shape. Okay, so right now we're in the triangle, so why don't we go to the circle? Okay, press the button, send the signal, called up the profile, and I was able to position in here. Again, same thing with the square. Press the square, went as a digital input, called the profile, and then was able to position into it. Okay. So now, what we're going to do is this is not the main goal of this demo. The main goal of this demo is to actually explore the functions of the i950, the IoT functions of the i950. Okay. As you guys can see here, we have we're able to see the MQTT. It's actually a node-RED interface, but we're going to be able to see the MQTT data flowing through, or actually the i950 data flowing through. We're going to be able to see data coming out and coming in. Okay. Also, we see a device here called Alexa. We are going to be using Alexa in this demo as well. So just to review the architecture, we have the i950. The i950 has IoT functions, in this case, MQTT. We're going to be using an MQTT broker to connect to the cloud, and then once we're in the cloud, the data will be available to us. With the MQTT, we're able to not only send data to the cloud, but we're also able to receive data from the cloud, so it's bidirectional. We can control that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to connect to an AWS server. Why AWS? We all know that's the Amazon Web Servers. Why AWS again? Is because we want to talk to this device, or we want to interface with this device. Okay? So the whole demo is going to be me talking to Alexa. Then Alexa is going to send the data to AWS. From there, the MQTT broker is going to grab the data and send it to the drive so we can actually create some motion. Okay? Before we do that, I'm sure Alexa wants to say hi to the audience. So let's see. Alexa, say hello to the audience.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to PAC Expo 2020.
Okay, seems like she's in a good mood, so she's going to be cooperating today. So let's go ahead and start by issuing a couple commands. Alexa, tell Lenze interface to cycle demo.
Successful.
Okay, you can see the demo cycling, and then we can also see over here the data that actually came through the MQTT. Again, this is node-RED, and node-RED is just allowing us to see the data that came from Alexa. That data then got sent into the drive. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop the belt. Alexa, tell Lenze interface to stop demo.
Successful.
Okay, we stop the demo, and maybe we can even potentially do another commanding here. Alexa, tell Lenze interface to go to square.
Successful.
Okay, just like that, we're able to position to the square. So again, the conclusion here is we're able to interface to the cloud using the i950 directly without using a PLC in between. So yes, the drive has those IoT functions embedded into it, and on top of that, we're able to also interface the IoT directly with the technology applications of the drive. In this case, we got table positioning, but we also could use winding, synchronization and correction. We can also use master slaving, speed control, and so on. Okay. Now, in this case, we're going from this device down to the drive. We can also go the other way around, where we take data from the drive, and then send it to the cloud, okay? Now, the beauty over here would be that in the future, I can actually ask Alexa or a similar device to it to give me the status of not only my drive, but to give me the status of my system, okay? So in that case, we can just say the words and we will know if the system is running on a fault, if it's producing, or so on. So this is where we're heading to. Hope this was beneficial to you guys. Thank you.